Vulcan is a theoretical planet accepted to lie among Mercury and the Sun. A couple of hundreds of years back, the planet was proposed after space experts saw that Mercury had marginally changed its circle with each unrest around the Sun in 1859. Key is a theoretical planet lying someplace in the Oort cloud at the edge of the nearby planetary group. The planet was proposed in 1999 by three astrophysicists from the University of Louisiana. The triplet proposed that Tyche is the size of Jupiter, has multiple times the mass of Jupiter, and circles the Sun once in 1.8 million years. A few researchers have proposed that the space rocks came from the leftovers of planet V, which lay among Mars and the space rock belt that isolates Jupiter from Mars today. Scientists imagine that planet V was less than Mars, which may clarify why its circle was vigorously adjusted by the gravitational draw of Jupiter and other external planets. Planet V before long got precarious and wandered into the space rock belt, which is used to accept that the flow Earth and Moon were made after a planet they called Theia pummeled into an early Earth. The crash made the more modest Theia separate, sending sections into space. One of these parts turned into the Moon. Scientists discredited this hypothesis after tests on Moon rocks uncovered that the Earth and Moon were produced using a similar material. Stargazers accepted there was an unfamiliar planet among Mars and Jupiter until as of late. The presence of the speculative planet appeared to be more genuine when Giuseppe Piazzi found what was viewed as planet Ceres in 1801. After a year, Heinrich Olbers found was opinion to be planet Pallas. Olbers before long understood that Ceres and Pallas used to be essential for a similar planet. This Nibiru is a theoretical planet apparently prowling someplace in our close planetary system, while NASA says that it doesn't exist. Intrigue scholars demanded that it was genuine and would hammer into the Earth in the year 2012 for the record. Planet 9 is another speculative planet sneaking someplace in our nearby planetary group. Dissimilar to Nibiru, NASA and stargazers from the California Institute of Technology imagine that Planet 9 could exist, despite the fact that there is no irrefutable proof that it does. The 4th century BC, Greek savant Philolaus proposed the presence of a planet that he called counter-Earth. He accepted that counter-Earth was consistently on the contrary side of the nearby planetary group from Earth, frequently insecure after their creation. They will regularly change circles in light of the fact that their circles are constantly adjusted by the gravitational draw of different planets. In 2005, three gatherings of scientists utilized this hypothesis to propose the nice model of the arrangement of the nearby planetary group. Historians believe that a planet called Tiamat lay between Mars and Jupiter. However, there is some debate about where this planet is today. In his book Dark Matter: Missing Planets and New Comets, Tom Van Vlaanderen claimed that the planet was destroyed 65 million years ago and became the asteroid belt. Zecharia Sitchin disputed this in his books The 12th Planet and the Cosmic Code. Instead, he declared that Tiamat had changed orbit and is now Earth. Sitchin said that Tiamat changed orbit after colliding with a hypothetical planet called Marduk and its three moons. Sitchin claimed that the collision formed a new planet that broke in half. Two chunks of it moved closer to the Sun to become the Earth and the Moon, while leftover debris became the asteroid belt. Sitchin added that Tiamat's former moons were also flung into new orbits. He believes that one of the moons crashed into Mars and created the Great Rift.